Hey, can we come in?
Oh yeah. You guys can get in?
Yeah.
Okay, come on
Go.
in.
Go, Nate.
Damn, bro, that's a good spot. Alright, behind me. Oh, there's a party people behind me.
Well, that's terrifying.
Oh, yeah. There's a lot of people in here.
It's raining.
Alright, I gotta do some work. Give me a second. Damn, bro, this is sweet as fuck.
I'm not gonna be over there, Brett.
No.
Alright, let's fucking light them up, boys.
Oh, yeah! The guy has an LMG too. Oops, that's full auto.
What? Using full auto, J-Dog?
It was on full auto.
I think there's nowhere in here. I don't know, though. I don't know for sure.
Oh, there's a lot of space now. I don't even fucking see anybody. They're all going towards station field.
The one time a bunker has a disadvantage. I know. We're fucking trapped in here.
I'm gonna go through the village.
Alright.
Maybe not. Not yet, at least.
Hey, maybe if we all crouch and sit in here for a second, they'll forget we're in here.
No, they're behind that building.
I think some of us are going to try and get out of here. Moving out.
This guy. We got one already down there.
I'm going to move up to this next one. The bunker's a bad spot.
Okay. Good to know. So you just pull all over at me, but man, it's Hey, one bunker, one bunker.
Hit! Nope.
You still there?
Yeah, he's got a really good spot. I'm not peeking that.
Yeah, he's full.
He's like directly out that way, couple trees down, full auto.
How far? Far back.
2 trees down, full auto. Far on the left.
On the left?
Like border.
Yeah. Like 11:30.
Yeah.
Hit!
How did you get hit?
From the left side.
Damn man, don't talk. I forgot. It's his final words.
I'm dying. Burning.
I'm hoping I can push from over here.
Probably about 130. I'm dead.
I can't hit that.
There's so many trees in the way.
Yeah.
Not dead yet. I got him. I got the guy behind the tree. No, he's still up. He's still up. Big tree on the right. Go far to the right. Definitely another one. We need to push up and cover him while we push up.
That spot was really bad.
Right there, that big tree right there.
That spot was really bad. If we can get this corner, we can keep pushing up the side.
This big ass tree over there?
Yeah, see him. Yeah, see him.
Big one out by the field?
Yep.
Okay.
If we can take this corner, we can push up the side.
It's a sniper. He can't cover us all.
That's game.
Oh, God.
Oh, we would have got him.